Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's Makari's Cakes here. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you all my recipe on how to make milky donuts. As you all know, this particular milk donut has been trending, for a while now. So I decided to bring it up here to share with my beautiful subscribers on how I normally make my milky donut, especially the milky filling. So please, if you're really interested to watch, I want you all to sit back, relax, and enjoy this videos to the end. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe because it's very, very important.
For you to know that your dough is ready, see, to be stretching, see, like when you stretch it, see, this is how to know that your dough is ready. See, it's very elastic. See. After kneading, you are allowed to write for some minutes. before you start cutting it and be molding it. 5 to 10 minutes. You start by cutting it. Like you cut it, you have to measure it like 70 gram. Sure. You measure for 70 gram. Mm, You measure all of them 70 grams, depending on the size you want it. The seven you measure all of them 70 grams so that all of them will be equal sizes. Use your fingertips. Then you cut out the excess. Next, you apply your butter on it. Like this is the margarine. Why you apply the margarine? For it to have that shining effect after frying. For the shining effect. We apply the flour on the board so that the thing will not be sticky. Like if you put it on an empty board, it will be gummy with the board. So the flour is to prevent it from sticking to the board. Rearrange it. After you have molded it finish, you allow it to rise for some minutes. 40 to 45 minutes, sha. You allow it to rise. You allow it to double inside. Once you see that the size have doubled, so know that it's ready to fry. You put it in a cool and warm place for it to rise. Cool and a warm place for it to rise.
A few moments later.
You guys, so it's time for the filling, or it's time to sugarcoat the milk. Sorry, the donuts with milk. I see a lot of donuts how it's being sugar coated. I'm going to show you guys a technique I normally use here. Please, before I continue, kindly note that my hands are properly washed. So for the sugar coating, I've been seeing a lot of donuts online. I discovered that the milk is quite too much, and for me here, one thing I want to let you guys know that you need to understand that milk is in a powdered form, right? Milk is actually really really smooth, but for sugar it's not that smooth. Like, it's, I don't know if I should say, it has some grains, like you can see the seed, like it's not that smooth like milk. So if you're trying to sugarcoat a donut, you will notice that you can apply much pressure, like you want all the sugar to be all over the donut. But for milk, you have to reduce your pressure. If you look at what I'm doing in this video, I'm kind of taking my time because, like I said before, milk is in a, like, it's smooth, right? So you have to do it carefully. So I noticed that a lot of people actually apply too much pressure, like the same way they're applying the sugar coating is the same method they are using for the milk. It's same method, but you have to reduce your pressure. I don't know if I'm making sense here, guys. If you look at this video again, it's not like I'm using my hands to carry milk and then pour all over the donut. No, I am doing it gently. This is because I don't want milk all over the place. Like, I don't want so much milk on top of my donut. If you look at this one right here, it's okay, it's moderate, it's not too much. Like, it just perfect. Let me use that word, you get. So I feel like we all need to take note of this. The goal here is that, or the word here is that, do not apply too much pressure. Just do it slightly, do it gently, and you're gonna have a neatly milk coated donut. Okay, so guys, that's it. Now look at the donut. It's not like overly milk coated, it's just normal. Everything is moderate. As you can see, donut is fluffy and looks so nice. So please, if you have watched to this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment and share this video. So it's time to make the filling, guys. I'm going to use I am using the milk here. Please kindly check the recipe of this milk filling in the description of this video. Okay, meanwhile, I feel like I should even applaud myself because I created this recipe by myself. The goal here for me is that I don't want my filling to be too sweet. I see a lot of filling online. I'm like, what is this? Like, there's some fillings you're gonna be seeing online like this. Say, it just look like miracle. Like, it's all looking like pub. Like, what the hell is this? I don't know if you guys are getting what I'm saying. So I try to make sure that I don't want to, I try not to use too much condensed milk because that is the main issue here, right? So try to reduce your condensed milk. You can use my recipe if you want, but I also advise that you should try to form your own recipe, because this recipe that I'm giving you guys, it's my recipe. Oh yes, I had to create this recipe this afternoon as I'm making this video. Yes, you heard me right. So I'm using here powdered milk, condensed milk, and evaporated milk. Okay, so this is the texture of my filling. As you can see, it's creamy, it's lush. Like when you eat this donut with the filling there, it's so milky, and of course that's why it's called milky donut, right? So I added vanilla flavor just to give it a nice taste. And you guys, let's check out this creamy filling. You can use mixer if you want, but in my head I'm like, what's the point? So let me just use my spatula. So guys, that's it. So if you have watched to this point, please subscribe to my channel. You guys to should watch my ad. So if ad is popping on my video, yeah, please don't skip it. Don't skip my ad though. People should watch it. Okay, just your own way of supporting me here on my channel. Watch the ads, watch the ad, at least even to just for 30 seconds or 40 seconds. Just watch my ads. Okay, thank you and God bless. And subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video to your different cake platforms on social media. Give it a thumbs up, comment, and just do all those good stuff. Okay, So guys, it's time to feel the donuts. Just check out this my yummy feeling. Like guys, can you feel it ever? Can you feel it ever? See, if you are getting value for this video, better just like right now. Like this video, comment. See, I want to see your feedback. And please, when you try this filling, please, or the donuts, tag me on your Instagram. Like, at least just tag me now. You know how to do those things, right? Tag me and let me see, let me see your creations. And yeah guys, that's it. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys got value. This donut is really really donut, nobody does what they see for online. Be say if you go put donut like this, you got to see water everything wey you pour for the donuts. You wonder what the hell is this? Like, you guys, I don't know if you guys are seeing all this I'm seeing on the internet too. See donuts now. This donut is really really donutty. Like, it's really really donutty. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, now let's check out the inside of these donuts. See now, just see now, see feeling. Is it pouring? See, see feeling now. Oh mama, now give me thumbs up, Jerry. But I like this video, Jerry. Who dey beat? That's why I just say ma just chop one first. So as I bite this donut, the donut make sense. God, in fact, you guys just try this recipe and thank me later. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.